Hello everyone, our TI MCU design contest project topic is alcohol detector based ignition control system. I am Vignesh.
I am Insha.
I am Kanaya Mishra.
Hello, I am Kamaljeet Singh.
All of us are in third year electrical engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Mandi. Our project makes use of alcohol sensors to detect the presence of breath alcohol in the surrounding air inside a car and in turn interlocks the starting circuit of the car, thus preventing a driver from starting the car. This is the block diagram of our project, automatic alcohol detector based ignition control system. The alcohol sensor gives analog output signals which is given to the ADC of the microcontroller. The microcontroller processes the signal and then it gives a signal to the starter circuit and the alarm if the alcohol is exceeding the safe limits. This is the MSP 430F5438A experimenter board that we have used in the project. This is the programmer that we have used in the project. The alcohol sensor that we have used is the MQ3 sensor. Generally, in cars, a relay is used in the starting motor circuit of the car. For the purpose of demonstration, we have used a KT603 power relay. The optocoupler works as a voltage control switch that activates the relay in case the alcohol is exceeding the safe limit. So here we can see that the alcohol sensor gives a signal to the microcontroller, and depending upon whether the alcohol is within safe or unsafe limits, the microcontroller gives a signal to the alarm and the car starter circuit. The sensors can be placed at appropriate locations in the car. One sensor can be placed on the middle of the steering wheel. One sensor can be placed on the inner roof of the car above the driver's seat. One sensor can be placed next to the seat belt holder on the driver's side. From the time when the driver plugs in the key, the sensors continuously send signal to the TI microcontroller and a decision is taken based on the combined output of the sensors. If the alcohol level exceeds the safe limits, the microcontroller sends a signal that interrupts the starting motor circuit of the car and an alarm sound is generated. Now we will give a demonstration of our project. This is the TI MSP430 microcontroller that we have used. This circuit is for the starting motor circuit of the car. This switch here depicts the key that we will be plugging in to start the car. This represents the alcohol sensor that we have used in this project. Now let's power up the devices. Now currently the alcohol level in the surrounding air is within safe limits, and it is shown in the LCD in the microcontroller that it's a safe alcohol level. This green LED also glows when the alcohol level is within the safe limits. Now suppose we want to start the car, we press the key. We see that the motor is running, thus depicting the car is started. Now in order to make the alcohol level above the safe limit, we bring the sensor close to the alcohol. We see that the red LED in the circuit glows and the buzzer is also buzzing. Now if we press the switch, we see that the motor is not running, thus depicting that the car will not start if the alcohol level is outside the safe limit. There are many merits of this project. A lot of accidents that happen due to the practice of drunken drive can be curbed by our product. Alcohol detection based on sensor fusion will be effective in detecting breath alcohol content in the air. Our project can be interfaced easily in today's cars. As we have shown in the demonstration, we can interrupt the relays used in the starting circuit of the car to interlock the system. This product is innovative in the sense that it is not necessary for the driver to breathe into the device like in the contemporary systems that use breath analyzers. This project has a very wide market. All car manufacturers can make use of this product. The product will be of low cost and consumes low power. Even if this product is legally enforced to be installed in all the cars, this will not affect the market as it causes least discomfort to the driver. Thanks to TI for supporting us in making this project. It is highly possible to make this further improvements in this project like use of more sensitive sensors, controls, etc. Thank you.